Welcome back to the most dramatic episode of any show ever.
Let's do this.
We are live streaming for an exclusive announcement.
Check this out. It looks like Freddie is proposing to Carly.
If you had been here, you would have laughed and laughed or made the face you're making right now. Freddie and Pearl are thriving.
But what about Freddie and Carly?
I'd say I'm good for someone who recently realized she has feelings for her best friend, but he wants to focus on her friendship, which she totally agrees is the right call.
I regret walking into this energy.
Oh, I think I know what's going on. You're smashing.
No, Freddie has a girlfriend.
Oh, so it's a love triangle?
There is no triangle. There's a love line between Freddie and Pearl. He and I are a squiggle.
We're gonna win an Emmy. Classic Carly.
Now let's do a silly one.
No matter what awkward phase of Carly Freddydom we're in, I am always gonna be there for you.
You two are obsessed with each other. Damn, I missed.
Pearl's right.
You're the person who I can always count on.
Is this really happening?
It took us long enough.
I want what they have.
Do you?
Not really.
En Paramount Plus.